In this short video, I wanted to highlight a map I made in Python around two cities that are great logistics hubs in the United States. The first being Salt Lake City, Utah, and the second being Indianapolis, Indiana. Beginning with Salt Lake City, it has three interstates that connect to it. I-80 runs east-west, I-15 runs north-south, and then I-70 from Denver connects to I-15 just south of Salt Lake City. I-80 will connect Salt Lake to Reno, Nevada, Sacramento, San Jose, and San Francisco. And then Salt Lake is connected to Las Vegas and Los Angeles and even San Diego via I-15. And you can also get to a number of different cities, including Phoenix, Albuquerque, Seattle, Boise, and Denver, among others. So as you can see by this map on the left, Salt Lake City is centrally located to a number of the major cities throughout the Mountain West. So it's definitely a prime logistics hub that has seen tremendous growth and will continue to grow. If you're looking out towards 2050, they're just going to be in a great position. And they actually have a rail terminal. This is Union Pacific's terminal. It's an intermodal one where they go from rail and ultimately go on to trucks. So containers can be shipped via railroad from the port of LA or Long Beach, get to Salt Lake City, and ultimately go on trucks to other parts throughout the United States. So Salt Lake is primed for growth going forward due to its interstate connectivity to a number of different cities in the Mountain West. And this western part of the map definitely highlights this. Let's move to Indianapolis, Indiana. Indianapolis actually has four different interstates that run through the city, and it's called the Crossroads of America. I-65 runs north-south, and then I-70 and I-74 also go through it, as well as I-69. And you can just see the number of different cities throughout the east that Indianapolis is connected to, from Virginia Beach to Charlotte, Jacksonville, Atlanta, Memphis, Kansas City, Lincoln, St. Paul, Minnesota, Milwaukee, Chicago. The list goes on and on, Detroit. So I believe this map does a great job of highlighting just how central these cities are located to the west and east parts of the United States, respectively. And I just wanted to highlight how there's potential for continued growth within Salt Lake City as well as Indianapolis. So I made this map in Python using Google Maps API and some Python code. And I just want to get a visual on, what cities are each of these Salt Lake and Indianapolis connected to, respectively, in the eastern and western part of the United States. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching.